Action. Well, folks, let's go ahead and do an old start, cold start of the 84 van. I added some oil and antifreeze the other day. They charged up the battery because it was dead. So I'm going to go ahead and start this bad boy up after checking the oil. Alright, I got the oil in the... I checked the oil, it needed a little more. I heard this engine's pretty much about done for just now. Oh, let's watch the oil pressure gauge. Give it a little prime. Ooh, as soon as I let off the key, it puttered. Uh-oh. Well, we better shut it off. It's not getting any pressure. I wonder if the gauge is screwed up or the oil pump went out. I smell emissions. Well, at least there's a cold start for you, though. Can't run it for too long. Chrysler of Canada. Yep, September 1984. Well, there you go. An 84 Dodge van cold start. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.